How to pair. Press and hold the power buttons on the transmitter and receiver for 3 seconds to power on. When powered on and not connected, the receiver's green indicator light will flash. Press the receiver power button twice consecutively to start pairing. A solid green light indicates successful pairing. How to restore factory settings. While powered on, press the power button 5 times consecutively on both the transmitter and receiver. When both the transmitter and receiver power off, factory reset is completed. Press and hold the power button again to power on. Press the receiver power button twice consecutively to pair. A solid green light indicates successful pairing. How to check battery level, charging, and charging precautions. Check the indicator light flashes when powered on. 1 red flash indicates 100% battery level. 2 red flashes indicate 75% battery level. 3 red flashes indicate 50% battery level. 4 red flashes indicate 25% battery level. Use the included 1 to 2 charging cable to charge both units simultaneously. A USB-A power adapter is required. When charging while powered off, the red indicator light stays on. It turns solid green when fully charged. When charging while powered on, the green indicator light stays on and remains green after fully charged.